who doesn't love the idea of like building a portfolio and then, just letting it do its thing? That's the beauty of what they call lazy portfolio. Low effort, you get that long-term growth.
Right? And
that's what we're diving into today using Fidelity Index Funds.
Yeah.
We're going to unpack. Forbes had these picks for like best of October 2024. So let's start with this whole lazy portfolio thing. Basically, it's index funds, right?
Yeah, exactly. So index funds, they're kind of the like low maintenance option. If you want to, grow your money over time and not stress about every little market like, up and down.
Yeah.
You're basically buying a piece of the entire market, like the S&P 500, instead of like picking and choosing, individual companies. So it gives you that instant diversification, which is huge. That spreads your risk across like, hundreds of stocks sometimes.
Yeah.
And usually they have lower fees than like actively managed funds, which is, always good.
Right, yeah. Lower fees, always good news when it comes to investing. Forbes, they actually made this whole list, right? 7 Fidelity Index funds that they recommend. This is for October 2024. Should we dig into that?
Yeah, let's see what they're recommending.
Okay, so top of the list, the Fidelity 500 Index Fund. The ticker symbol is FXAIX. So this one, basically, you get to be a part of the S&P 500, right?
Right.
You could just invest in this one and you'd probably be pretty solid.
Yeah.
And get this, from 1993 to 2023, this index, it returned on average like 9% every year.
Yeah, that's the power of like steady long-term investing, right? Like even if you're not trying to time the market or pick the next, hot stock, you just put money in consistently and those returns over time, they really add up.
It's amazing how much it compounds. Okay, so speaking of spreading the love around, diversifying, Forbes, they also really like the Fidelity Mid-Cap Index Fund, the ticker symbol FSMDX. So this one focuses on companies that are a little bit smaller than like the giants in the S&P 500.
Yeah, mid-caps, those are kind of cool. It's a way to diversify beyond, the Apples and Amazons of the world. Because, today's mid-cap company could be tomorrow's like giant,
Exactly. Now, if you can handle a little more risk, Forbes also had the Fidelity Small Cap Index Fund on their list, ticker FSSNX. Yeah. And we know small caps, those are the ones with the potential to really grow fast, but also, they can be a little bit volatile. There it is.
Yeah. Small caps can be a bit of a roller coaster.
Yeah.
But this particular fund, it follows the Russell 2000 index. So that's like almost 2,000 companies.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So yeah, it's still small cap focused, but having that many companies, it helps balance out some of that risk.
That's good. Now, if you're thinking, okay, I want to go beyond the U.S., Forbes recommends the Fidelity Global ex-US Index Fund, ticker symbol FSGGX.
Yeah, going global, that's key. And make sure you're not just relying on, how the US economy is doing. And you get exposed to all these other growth opportunities from companies all over the world, like Taiwan Semiconductor, Novo Nordisk, Toyota.
Big names, yeah.
Yeah, big names that people would recognize.
Yeah. Okay, and now for that good old stability, especially when the stock market's being a little, crazy, Forbes is like, hey, think about bonds. They specifically mentioned the Fidelity U.S. Bond Index Fund, FXNAX is the ticker, and the Fidelity International Bond Index Fund, that one's FBIX. So one's U.S. bonds, one's international bonds, cover your bases.
Right. And, you can actually see how these bond funds, they don't always move in the same way as the stock market, especially over the past, 3 years.
Really?
That's diversification working, right? When stocks zig, bonds might zag.
Yeah.
It just goes to show why you want to spread your money around different types of investments, so you're ready for anything.
So it's like a seesaw a little bit, right?
Exactly.
Okay, last one. This one's for the true set it and forget it investor. Forbes recommends the Fidelity Multi-Asset Index Fund. The ticker symbol is FFNOX. And this one's interesting, right? It's like a pre-built portfolio. They've already done the work of figuring out how much to put in stocks, how much to put in bonds, even the international stuff.
Yeah, it's perfect if you literally want to just, not think about it.
Right.
You're essentially letting Fidelity, use their expertise to keep everything balanced.
Yeah. I think what I like is that Forbes, they pick these funds so that they don't overlap a lot. So you can be like, okay, I like this one, and, kind of build your own based on your risk tolerance.
That's so key. Investing isn't one size fits all. You got to figure out what you're comfortable with and what works for your own financial goals.
Totally.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've laid out the whole lazy portfolio idea, look at some of the kind of building blocks you could use. That's something to chew on. Anyways, that is it for this deep dive. Until next time, happy investing, everybody.